guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use effects on Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels feature lets you make videos applying your filters. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use them. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Swipe right or press on your story in the upper left corner. Hit Reels at the bottom of the screen. After that, click on the smiley icon on the left. Now choose any filter that you have saved to a story camera, or go right on the circular menu bar until you find the Browse Effects option. Tap it in order to open the effect gallery. Here you can press on the search icon in the top right corner and look for a particular effect, or you may find an effect in the effect gallery. Once the effect is selected, hit the Use Effect button. Tap the button in order to record a video. Then click on the arrow button. Now you can edit your video by adding stickers, drawing or writing something if you want. Hit the arrow button once again. The only thing left to do is to upload your video, so simply press on the Share button. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use effect on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.